told me that it's all my fault. It would've been perfect all along. It would've been alright and not another wrong. And it would be a happy, not a sad song. Oh, cause it's all my fault. She would've been perfect.
Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get overlay in your OBS studio. First thing you want to do is you want to go to this website right here, Streamer Elements. Once you get in, it will look like this. Pretty basic. It should look like this. And then you're going to see there's two options right here: log in, get started. You want to click get started. You're going to connect with whatever you use, so guys, and then it will take you to this page. Once you're done, you're going to look at this side over here. You're going to see all these options. You're going to click on streaming tools. This will pop up a box. You're going to click overlays gallery, and then you're going to see all these overlays. So for instance, I'm going to pick a random one. You can pick whatever you want. They're all free. You're going to click create my overlay, and then you're going to see all of these URLs. And for instance, you're just going to copy one of them. So for instance, I'm going to copy this one. And then you're going to open your OBS studio. You're going to click this plus button. You're going to click browser, and you're going to name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it overlay, and then I'm going to click OK. And then it should pop up this box right here. Should look like this, and the URL will be different, so I'm going to change it for y'all. You're going to click CTRLV, and then you're going to put your width on 1920 and your height on 1080, and then you're going to click OK. Now, it should look like this once it's finished, and then there you go, chat. That's how you do it. So you will have other options like talk, Valorant, start, like the start, you know, BRB, I'll be right back. You will have more options, and you can choose a variety of animated ones, so it doesn't matter. You don't have to just stick with one. But yeah, chat, that's it. Hope you guys like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Peace out, man.
She told me that it's all my fault. It would've been perfect all along.